Meaning of deafening.
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 Deafening. The term deafening refers to a sound or noise that is so loud and intense that it becomes almost unbearable for the ears. It is often used to describe a noise or sound that is incredibly intense and overpowering. The result of such a noise can vary depending on the context and setting, but in general, it can cause physical discomfort and damage to the ears, as well as mental stress and anxiety. In some cases, the sheer volume of the noise can even cause temporary or permanent hearing loss.